What's up, everybody? It's Neek during the day, Neek at night, representing Hot 103.9 and them core DJs, standing next to my man Kevlar, representing Trier High School. Just got on stage, definitely did his thing, had some hot music, so please make sure that you remember the name, Kevlar. What's your name?
Kevlar.
Remember that name, Kevlar. Kevlar.
Did like 5 songs.
She crushing on me.
Hey, Kevlar, let her crush on you.
Yeah.
Smacking everything. Can't you see that I'm a girl for you? Just say yes and I'll call you my boo.
She love my swag. She love the way I talk. Shoot game on point. She love the way I walk. She love the video call. Go to the mall and buy her what she wanna. No second thoughts at all. Kevlar be on her mind. I'm all she think about. I speak in her direction. You know she gon' take that route. She ain't want me to leave, so I came back. Had her smiling all over. That's a proven fact.
Everybody put your hands up high. Hustle every day of your life. Take care of business and you still stay alive. You got your arms up to the sky. Get wild on the
On this verse, MCs they try to test me. Always on the move. MCs can never rest me. The sky is the limit. How high can I go? Made a different approach ever since I stepped in the door. And I keep wanting more. I get more than I ask for. Got it to the ceiling. I got that sky cash flow. Bringing hip hop back. Listen to my flow is crack. Crack flows the doors. These people still be loving that. It don't matter where I'm at. I'ma get it just like that. These pencils announce how I live, so I'ma do just that. Just for my people working and for my people dealing. Throw your hands high if you got money to the ceiling.
Everybody jump, 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 jump. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Let me hear some.
jump, jump. Jump, jump.
Yeah, come on, move your body. Kevlar, I get the party started. Kevlar, I get the party started. Kevlar, I get the party started. Crank that Roy on, crank that Roy on, crank that Roy on, crank that Roy on. Get that Dougie on, get that Dougie on, get that Dougie on, get that Dougie on. Beef it up on, beef it up on, beef it up on, beef it up on. Cat that on, cat that on, cat that on.
Welcome out to the show, y'all. It's your DJ Princess. And we want to say shout out to all the designers, all the stylists, and all the models. It's going to be an incredible show. And to help us take it to the next level, let's bring to the stage the party starter,
See them
Kevlar.
girls walking in their pumps, runways for days. Fashion is their thing, here they let it swing. Modeling what they was born to do, and if you say the right things, they come on to you. Yeah, hang time with it, outfits get fitted, makeup get done, she so legit with it. Flashing lights all over the place, beautiful women everywhere, they in a beauty race. Hot diamonds dangling off their neck, superstar with it, leaving haters upset. Yep, hair blow like hello, how are you doing? Like everything to be perfect, she hit that word ruin. Long legs and many heads, my pen so mean. Ain't you heard I got plenty legs? Models got bottoms, I can tell you that many red Kevlar be in the zone, and that's enough said.
Man, you already know what it is. BJ Cash, man, I'm right here with my little homie Kevlar. He just tore the stage down at Sound Stage, you know, turned it up. He did it real big for South Carolina, man. He gonna be that next dude, man. So y'all gotta look out for him, man. Follow him on Twitter, on Instagram, on all that, man. It's come from his big homie BJ Cash. Skirt, skirt, skirt.
Kevlar, are you ready? Here we go. Now walk and turn and camera, girl, pause.